Hello reps, it's Rick here again. Today I'm going to talk to you about the bifocal line. You will be receiving a flyer that has a description of the 6 styles we have. They're on the front and they're on the back. Alright, so let me go ahead and put a pair on. So Tommy's designed these bifocals for fishermen, that when you're putting a hook together, you can actually see the knot now, nice and clear. You got the little fishing line put in through the little barb, the little hole. Now you can see it. You can read charts when you're on the boat. You can read where you're going, what's going on. Okay, we're about 5 nautical miles from here, and yet you still have protection from the glare off the water. These are great for fishermen to have on the boat. They're also great too for anyone lounging at the beach. If you want to go ahead and you don't have to bring your readers. These glasses are 2-in-1. You have the polarized protection. You have our floating technology on all the bifocals. So that means you get the soft, comfortable fit. You can wear these glasses all day long. You can be out in the sun, reading your book, reading your paper, reading your magazine. Now you have protection from the sun and you're able to read with the bifocal lenses. These bifocal lenses too are also good for bike shops, I've been told. What they do is a couple guys, they get on their bikes and they're riding, and they need to look at their watch or look at the ground to see where they're at, and they need to look at while they're riding. They'll look down with their bifocals to see where they're at. They can look at papers, any kind of again, charts, where they're going, anything they can read it with. The only problem with these bifocals and with any other polarized sunglass is that it's sometimes there's a glare when you look into a watch or any kind of screen, like a iPad screen or any of those other screens, because there's a little glare that gets mixed in because of the polarization of the lens and also the type of lens on the iPhone and on your watch. That's the only issue with that, but we don't see that as an issue. We see that we see these glasses as a plus to read, again, documents and stuff, where you're going, maps. If you need to pull out a map, paper map, you're hiking, you can look at the map. Oh, okay, yeah, this is where we are. Some of the people, oh, I'll just whip out my iPhone and look at it. Well, you got all this glare in the sun, and you can't even see it anyways because it's so bright outside. It's hard to see. So these bifocals are very handy while you're hiking, while you're again on the fishing boats. They're good for when you are kayaking, when you are out there on the water and you're kayaking. Let's say you're fishing around in your kayak. These are great because, again, you can put your hook on and you got your bifocals there. You can read your charts, where you're at, what's going on, and they're really good for that too. Also for working around the house, you have your polarized lenses, and and with the safety, with the comfort of these glasses, you can wear them all day long. And these bifocals are really good. They retail at $70. The dealer cost is $35. If you look on your dealer price sheets, the prices are in there. Just look really closely, and you see the price of the bifocals there. All right, so let's keep on the bifocals. Now, these 6 styles of bifocals, they are not safety glasses. Understand that they are not ANSI 787 test standard approved. So remember that, okay? But they are a good item, and they're good for the categories that I told you, and everything else your imagination can be. If you need your readers out in the sun, they work great for construction workers while you're out there, surveyors while you're surveying, you're doing a shot across the street, you're trying to get your benchmark so you could go ahead and start building your house or building a property. You need to read the measurements on the charts. Let's say, and it's glare, the sun's hot. You're going to take off your fancy glasses, you're going to put your readers on, and you're going to keep interchanging them, and then when you bend over to grab your tape measure, boom, there goes your readers on the ground, you break them. These ones are 2-in-1. Now you could have them on all day long with the comfort of the foam technology, non-slip, soft fit, and you're polarized, and you have your bifocals. All the bifocals come in 3 strengths, 1.5, 2.0, and 2.5. They're a great item. Retail at $70. Dealer price is $35. We are going to stay on the bifocals for now. We do have a clear safety bifocal, which is in the Stink Bomb. Again, they come in the same strengths, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5. These ones are a hot item. They come in two different styles. They come in the smoke. This right here is a clear bifocal safety, but it's not the Stink Bomb. This is the Time Bomb. This one's on its way to be discontinued, and we actually got them on a special. I'll get back to you reps later about that. But the Stink Bomb safety glass comes in two styles, clear and the smoke. They are $12.50 dealer cost, which is a screaming deal for all the technology in this bifocal safety sunglass. You need to tell this to the retailers. These can go through refrigeration contractors, hardware, anywhere where you buy hardware, levels, carpenter shops, tile stores, where you sell tile installation supplies. Why? Because now you can put your safety glasses on clear. Now you can, with the bifocals, now you have the capability of looking at your bubble, the level bubble. You couldn't see it before, because on those levels they have those two little fine black lines and the bubble slides in between. Now you can see it with your bifocals, and you have the safety protection as well. ANSI 787 standards, safety standards approved with a bifocal, 3 strengths. Great glass. They also come in the smoke too, which is another good category, because again, you can use those outside while you're in a construction site. While you want to get protection from the UV rays, you have it, and you have your bifocals, and you can read all your necessary documents that you need to get your job done. These clear safety bifocals need the construction workers, homeowners. They need these in their toolbox for sure. When you're out there working in the garage and you're a homeowner, and I gotta go get my reading glasses. I can't read the instructions to put my wife's little desk she bought from Home Depot. I need honey, where's my glasses? Right here, keep them in your toolbox. They're great to sell in local hardware stores, all construction stores, building material stores, tile stores, refrigeration, air conditioning, plumbing, concrete yards, anywhere. They're great. All these construction workers like them a lot. These are a hot item. Why? Because they're clear, they're safety approved. They have the bifocals in there with the 3 strengths. You can now read your documents, read your instructions, see the bubbles. You can see the tape measure. Now you can see if it's 3/16 as opposed to 3/8. There's such a versatile safety glass, and it comes with all the technology, the soft fitting foam. You can wear them all day. They're very indestructible and flexible material. You need to use this. This is a very hot item right now, and they're moving very quickly. So you reps, make sure you push this inside the construction, the construction material stores that sell supplies, refrigeration. I mean, it's endless. So just call me if you got any questions on where they need to go. I can help you out with that. Also, we do want to keep our Bomber floating eyewear line going. That's a good item. We do have some good safety items now, safety eyewear also. And now the bifocal line has been introduced. Tommy's really hyped about the bifocals because they're starting to move really quick, and it's getting our name out there, because eventually some of these material supply stores have safety glasses already in them. They don't have clear safety bifocals with patented lined foam, comfort fit. That's what you got to tell them. Once we get in the door of the retailers, then you slowly bring in our safety line. Now you hook them in with the bifocal, because a lot of these stores don't carry this type of technology. They just don't. And then you can introduce the safety line and slowly get our whole line of products in there. Now you have the safety line in there, the bifocal line in there, and that's a good point. Also, with the stands, you want to probably go with a 10 up or a 20 up. Tell the retailers, just start off with a 10 up display stand. We provide this display stand, and you just load them up with the bifocals. Go 5 clear and 5 smoke. Then you slowly introduce them into the more higher end line. Once they get moving, you can say, well, we have these polarized ones. Also, the price point's a little bit more expensive. They probably won't move as much, but you don't tell them that. You just slowly introduce them. Get them in there with these bifocals because we know they're going to sell. And then you say, maybe you want to carry a couple of these styles here to see how they go, these polarized bifocal lenses. But these ones aren't safety. So remember, you tell them that. They're just used for maybe like outdoors while you're at a job site, or your contractors might ask for a polarized safety bifocal. We do have them. So make sure you tell your retailers that. Okay, so that's enough on the bifocals. Really push it hard. Any questions, call me anytime. I'm going to make another video about the display stands and putting them together. Thanks. Have a great day.